Let's look at another 1989 score, Topps baseball pack. The end of the 80s. Let's see who we get. All right, Danny Tartable. Well, it looks like all the corners are in rough position. Pat Borders. I don't know what happened to this pack before. Spike Owen. 1972 was a year to remember. Nolan Ryan. Too bad it's beat up. But my favorite player of all time, Roger Clemens, another great pitcher. Oral Hershiser. We're getting some pretty good pitchers today. And Joaquin Andujar, obviously, belongs in that. Geronimo Baroa, Charlie Hayes. Well, I'll take the Nolan Ryan. Too bad it's in rough shape, but always great to see him.